Hello, now we are at Jinlong's booth.
Jinlong is the first A-share-listed company in China to land on the capital markets, with string inverters as its main business. Over the recent years, Jinlong has maintained rapid growth in both revenue and profits, and according to data from industry analysts, the company's overall inverter shipments rank among the top 5 in the world, with residential inverter shipments ranking in the top 2. Jinlong's Solis products sell well in many countries and regions around the world, and are actually present in some famous buildings, including the Shanghai World Expo. Now let's walk onto the booth and get a feel for what the company is showcasing this year.
Solis has been participating in the SNEC show for 9 consecutive years, and we all witness the growing and development of each other. So in this year's SNEC show, we brings you a lot of good products ranging from 700 watt to 350 kilowatt, and together with some energy storage new solutions. So let's start with the largest inverter that we have here, so which is the 350 kilowatt inverter that we have. And this inverter is specially developed for the utility scale PV systems, and it has a string input current of 22.5 amp, which is perfectly compatible with the 210mm solar modules in the market. And also it has like 45 amp per MPPT input current, so that is currently the largest in the market. And together with this inverter, we have like 12 MPPT for the design. And on the DC side, we equip the DC overcurrent protection devices to enhance the safety of the DC system. And then on the AC side, we have a very smooth output waveform, and together with a very low distortion. And this will make the inverter very grid friendly, and we believe it is a key factor in the future for building the renewable energy network. And so this is the 350 kilowatt that we have for this year. And then let's move to the other side of the aisle to check on the energy storage inverter that we have. Okay. Okay. Let's move to this side. Okay. So sorry, guys. So here, this one is the Flexi-ONE hybrid inverter that we have for this year. It's a integrated design solution for the energy storage plus the PV input system. And for the whole inverter, it's a very compact design with the integrated devices like the inverting units, battery installation, and together with the switch gears. And this unit only accounts for like 0.5 cubic meters of the space, which makes the installation and the maintenance like very easy to do. And also for this inverter, we have 5 kilowatt for the backup output, and it's a no screen design. It's just the blue LED ribbons for the display. And then for this inverter, one key feature for this product is that we have 2 battery cabinets to install the different capacity of the battery, and we allow the customers to use different brands of battery. So unlike other all-in-one hybrid inverters, they only support one battery. We support different brands of battery. And for this inverter, it's very extremely safe and reliable, because for the battery inputs, we have both battery fuse and battery breakers for redundant protection. And then we have the advanced protection logic within the firmware, and the arc fault protection for the PV inputs as well. So this all things just demonstrate the design concept of Solis, that we keep the safety and reliability as the key feature. And we believe this product is going to impress our customers in like different markets. So this is the Flexi-ONE hybrid inverter. And then let's move to the other side of the booth to check on the commercial products. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so So this product is the large commercial product that we have. So one big change on this product is that we increased the input current of this model. So this inverter was very popular in China and Southeast Asia last year for the commercial projects. It has like input current of 13 amp previously, and now we increased the input current from 13 amp to 16 amp. And together with the inverter, it's 20 DC inputs and 16 amp of the input current. This will make the system DC ratio to be like very big, and then brings the customers more energy generation. And this is mainly for the large utility scale, large commercial size project. And then let's move to this side to check on the medium size, small to medium size product, which is a 50 to 70K model. So it's a new model released this year, which is the S5 series retard inverter. And it has also 16 amp of the input current, and then 10 to 12 DC inputs. And also together we have a very convenient COM port for the inverter to reduce the overall installation time for the communication between inverters and the inverter and the power control plant controller. So this is mainly for the small to medium sized project. And then let's go and check on the residential product. Okay. So here we have the residential product for our from Solis. So this year we just increased the input current for these inverters from 11 amp to 14 amp for the single phase inverters, and then for those small three-phase inverters we increased the current from 11 amp to 16 amp. And so for those inverters, they also integrated the export power control solutions. Like they can simply connect smart meter to do the export power control of their system to use in the zero injection or limited export scenario. And also those inverters have the function with the 24 hours consumption monitoring function. So for the customer, they can have a very clear overview for their system, like the energy generation and the consumption data, and also the import power from the grid. And then this will give the customer a very clear view of their system. And so basically those are the new products and the new functions that we have for this year. And if you are interested in our products, actually you can join our online webinar or online sessions, or directly contact us for further discussion. Yeah, thank you for, yeah, okay.